Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 43. If a source emits light at a frequency of 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 14 Hz and the Planck's constant h equals 6.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 34, the energy of one photon of this light is approximately equal to A. 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 48, B. 4.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 19, C. 1 joule, D. 4.6 times 10 to the power of 10 joule, and E. 4.6 times 10 to the power of 19 joule. Now this question is a question from photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Now, according to the experiment conducted by Einstein, the energy of one photon of light when the Planck constant is given, the Planck constant H is also called H. Planck constant equals to H is equal to Hc. Now E equals to Hc, where C equals speed of light. Equals Hf, where F, in this case, F is equal to the frequency. The frequency is F. Now we have that E equals H multiplied by F, and we know that our Planck constant H is 6.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 34. We say 6.6 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 34 multiplied by F, which is 7 times 10 raised to the power of 14. Now when you punch your calculator, you simply get 4.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 19 joule. And this is the correct answer to this question, and that's option B, 4.6. In this, you just simply use the formula that has the values that are being given. So the answer to this particular question is option B, 4.6 times 10 to the power of minus 19. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.